When I got to be mid-career, this would be in the late 1990s, it was really bothering me that women at my career level, we were tenured, were not getting the recognition for their work. They were not getting the invited talks. They were not getting the invited to meetings. They were not getting honors. They were not getting awards, and yet they were just as successful as the men were. And then I started also noticing that there was this kind of jealousy thing going on, you know, of people resenting the fact that the woman might be more successful than the male. And so I look at it as, I mean, it's the same kind of mentality that, you know, if a woman can run faster or throw harder than a guy, you know, strange things erupt. So all of that led to the formation of an organization that we call COACH, which started out as the Committee on the Advancement of Women Chemists, which is a little H on the end. And we started developing a series of, it was a small group, about 11 of us chemists, senior women chemists from around the country. And we got some money from the Dreyfus Foundation to get us started. And then we created COACH and a series of workshops for women scientists and men too on issues that we don't usually learn in science, such as how to negotiate, how to communicate effectively, what a women in leadership positions, the challenges they face and how to overcome them. For younger women faculty, career launch and acceleration, how to mentor, how to achieve work-life balance. And those are sort of 2 and 3 hour workshops, and we got some facilitators together to do these, and in 20 years, it's the 20,000 participants around the country, and one university at a time, or in college, we're always begging for money or writing grants, and NSF, NIH, and DOE has funded us all these years, and now we're across all of the sciences, and a lot of our programs are being adopted, and it's been great. It's been great. And then in 2014, we decided to work in developing countries, and so, and all of our work is pro bono, so it's just getting travel expenses. And in that time, then, I've taken these workshops personally to over a dozen countries in Africa and all of Southeast Asia and Central Asia and Latin America, and it's been a huge privilege to be able to work with these women and to learn their challenges and see if there's any way we can help. So and it's not just women, it's also underrepresented groups. And in many of these countries, the men are as disadvantaged as the women. And so we have a lot of men involved. In those countries, we do proposal writing and getting money and things like that, workshops like that too.
Were there particular